In Praktika, we have the ability to take online deposits for patients booking appointments online. We can do that either using PayPal or Payrix. Now, the patient, if they're using PayPal, can pay either by entering in their card details or they can sign into their PayPal account and select a payment method from there and pay that way. So, to set this up in Praktika, first of all, what you'll need to do is you'll need to either register for a PayPal business account or a Payrix account. Once you've registered and verified your account with either one of those providers, you'll need to find your merchant ID. The merchant ID will need to be placed into the management area, which I'll show you shortly, in order to register that account into Praktika. So to set up your online booking deposits, you'll need to go to Management, Online Booking. In here, you can tick the box for require online booking deposit prepayments from patients. Once this is turned on, you can choose who you want to take the deposits from. So whether it's from all patients or whether it's just from particular patients. So particular patients might be new patients or patients who have had a history of FTA or cancellations. You can then choose your default booking deposit amount. Once you've got that set up, you can scroll down and press save on the bottom right. Now back to financial now. Under payment service providers, here you will need to enable either one of these merchants that you're using. So we're using PayPal here. So I've enabled PayPal and I've copied and pasted my merchant ID into this space. Once you've pasted that in, you'll need to press save. Then also just going back to our online booking settings, if you wish to specify different deposit amounts for different appointment types, you can head to appointment types up here. So as an example, you might have a free consultation offered at your clinic that you don't necessarily need a booking amount for. You can specify no deposit required for this particular appointment type, and you can change them depending on the appointment type in here. Once you've got the booking deposit amounts entered, again, you'll just need to press save on the bottom right.